Welcome to this video, my friend. Today I'm introducing a mind-blowing tool that will completely change how you create animations. Imagine turning your objects into thousands of points and bringing them to life with amazing animations. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's possible. If you've ever thought complex animations were only for experts, this add-on is here to prove you wrong. Ready? Let's dive straight in magic. So what does this add-on do? Simply put, the point animation add-on lets you convert any objects into thousands of points. Control those points and animate them in jaw-dropping ways. For example, imagine you have a car model. This add-on can break it into thousands of points, scatter them, rearrange them, and even rebuild the car, all with just a few clicks. This tool is perfect for artistic projects, ideas, or even cinematic animations. It's like having a magic wand inside the Blender. This add-on is free in Blender Market. You can go to official website and download this add-on, or you can check my Telegram channel. Animation3D this file. You must drag file in, for example, desktop, and extract this file. Extract here. Password is 2121 and OK. Now you have this add-on. So let's go to Blender. For this add-on I suggest this version, Blender 4.1. So for install and active the add-on, you must go to Edit, Preference, Add-ons, Install, and select this file. Desktop, point animate underground 3D, and select this file. Install add-on. So now you must active the add-on. So easy. You can see the menu of this add-on in this section. Here we have 4 options, so let's try it together. Here we have a simple knife model. Select, for example, this option. Select keyframe, for example, start frame 5, and this. And select material object. Okay, and material and play. So easy. And select this option. Why is this add-on a game changer for both beginners and professionals? Saves you hours of work, produces highly accurate and customizable results, ideal for ADS, game development, and visual effects. Pro tip: if you are serious about taking your animations to the next level, the Point Animations add-on is a must-have. Alright folks, that wraps up our overview of the Point Animation add-on. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you want to get this add-on, you'll find the links in the video description. Guys, thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Sound Blender content. Take care. Kiss.